Welcome. Now it's time to start a discussion about canvas. And a canvas is a widget that is used to draw graphs, plus images, lines in a window. And I'll type from tkinter import all. Now let's create here a canvas equals to canvas window. So it's going to be displayed in our window. It's going to have a height of 500 and the width also of 500. And I'm going to type canvas dot back. Now let's run this and have our canvas. All right. Okay, I will go here and I will type canvas dot create line, and let me run this. Actually, let's comment this first. Let's run it, and our position is on the top left hand corner. Here we have 0 0, and on the bottom right corner we have 500 by 500. So when you type canvas dot create line, you need to pass those values here. So I'm going to put here 0 0 0 0 and 500 by 500. Now if I run this, we have a line which goes from 0 0 to 500 by 500. Let's close this, and we can also change the color of this line. So I'm going to type here fill equals to blue. If I run this, now the line is blue. And you can also set the thickness. So I'm going to type here, I can see what is that T. And we can change the width. So I'm going to type width, let's say 10. Let's run this. Now as you can see, it's bigger. Alright, let's create another line. Control D. And now I want this line to start here and end on the top here. And to do that, we need to put here 0, 500, then 500 and 0. And let's make this red. Let's run this, and now we have this being displayed. Next, let's type canvas dot create rectangle, and I'm going to put the starting position 50 50 50, and then I'm going to put 250 and 250. Let's see what we get, and have this being displayed here. Alright, let's close this, and we can also give a color to this. So I'm going to type here fill, let's say red. Now if I run this, we have this red. But let's comment those two. So let's comment this line and this line. Let's stop it, run it again, and we have our rectangle here. Next, let's create a polygon, a triangle. So I'm gonna go down here, I'll type canvas dot create polygon 250 0 500 0 500. Now if I run this, have a problem. Okay, I should put here 500. Now if I run this, now I have this triangle. I think I can change the color. Let me try fill. Let's make it blue, or let's make it green. Let's run it, and now we have this triangle green, and it's beautiful. Okay, let's comment this.
Outline around this graphic.
But let's first also add a border. So I'm gonna go here. I'll type outline equals black. Now if I run this, we have the outline. It's not that big. Let's comment this. And you can also change the thickness of this with width, let's say 10. If I run this, now I have this border. Right, I'm gonna close this, comment this. And with those options that we have here, let me copy. We can also pass a list. So let's copy this. Let's create a list points equals to those ones. Let me delete this and let's put points. Now if I run this, we have the same output, so everything works fine. Okay, let's comment this. And I'll go down here. I'll type canvas dot create arc. And here we need to pass the size of this arc. So 0, 0, 500 by 500. So we don't pass the position here. So if I run this, we have this here being displayed. Let's also set a fill color here. So fill, let's put green. Let's run this. And this will start at 0, 0 here because this is an entire circle, but we only have this semicircle here. So let's close this. And we can also have styles, so I can put a comma here, styles equals to chord. So now if I run this, we have a chord. And there is also arc. So if I run this, we have an arc. Okay, let's change this to pie slice. Let's add here a start for the degrees. So start equals 90 degrees. Let's run this, and now we have this 90 degrees here, but it's inversed. Let's close this, and we can put here equals 180 degrees. So let's run this, and we have this now here. And we can also set an extent, and the default is 90 degrees, but let's put here extent equals to 180 degrees. And if I run this, now you have 180 degrees here. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video. And with all of this code that we talked about, try to create something like a Pokeball using the knowledge that I explained here. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see